Located in the heart of Vietnam, Hyosung TNS is embracing its global responsibilities by leading the way forward through cutting-edge technological innovation. Hyosung Financial System VINA is our world-class production facility where we meticulously craft the latest technologies to meet the needs of our global customers. Our products at Hyosung TNS are trusted by customers in over 50 countries thanks to their exceptional performance, user-friendly design, and reliable technology. After thoroughly evaluating global production hub, we selected this location in Vietnam for its optimized production and logistics capabilities. This facility is capable of producing up to 150,000 units annually, allowing us to deliver high-quality products to customers worldwide. When it comes to precision and efficiency, Hyosung TNS upholds the highest standards. Leveraging advanced SMT manufacturing technology and the expertise of meticulously trained technicians, we produce and assemble top-of-the-line parts into high-quality circuit boards. These circuit boards are a core part of any ATM and undergo a thorough quality inspection on every PCBA. Precise measurements, conducted with advanced equipment, ensure consistent and high-quality ATM production. We design and manufacture core technology modules in-house to create our industry-leading products. Our core modules, including the cash dispenser unit and bill recycling module, are developed using fundamental cash handling technologies, including advanced mechatronics, bill recognition, and verification systems. They are crafted through advanced engineering and precise manufacturing processes. Grounded in our unmatched technological expertise and stringent quality standards, these mechanical units undergo extensive testing and quality controls, ensuring all products achieve our high standard of performance and durability. Our full system production process utilizes innovative techniques to perfectly combine the mechanical components into a reliable product. Utilizing state-of-the-art equipment and a workforce of expertly trained professionals, our world-class products are brought to life. These integrated solutions undergo rigorous testing through a series of real-world simulations to ensure the highest quality. From initial development to final production, all ATMs are thoroughly tested for maximum durability. Our solutions are subjected to a range of testing environments, encompassing factors such as water, temperature, humidity, and vibration, to ensure optimal performance upon delivery to our customers. At the end of production, all products are systematically packaged to guarantee safe delivery and are carefully stored and monitored in a climate-controlled environment before distribution. Our technology and quality extend beyond production. They are dedicated to fostering trust and delivering value. With innovative technology and unparalleled quality, we proudly uphold our position as a global leader, continually evolving and setting new industry standards. Through continuous training and a supportive work environment, we enhance our employees' expertise and foster a culture that attracts top talent. This is a vital and dynamic production hub, driving Hyosung TNS global growth and propelling us to new levels of success and innovation. Hyosung Financial System VINA is joining Hyosung TNS on its journey to become a trusted partner, sharing a prosperous future with our customers every step of the way.